Welcome back to Car Industry, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of automobiles. Today we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Malibu, a car that's smarter, sharper, and more advanced than ever before. Chevrolet is proving that sedans are far from dead, and this model is a bold statement to the entire industry. At first glance, the 2026 Malibu commands attention with its sleek, fastback-inspired design. The front end is completely redesigned with a slimmer grille, aggressive LED headlights, and aerodynamic contours that make it look sportier than ever. The body lines flow cleanly from front to rear, creating an elegant yet muscular stance. Chevrolet has clearly taken inspiration from its electric lineup, giving the Malibu a futuristic aesthetic while maintaining its gasoline-powered heart for those who still love traditional performance. Under the hood, the new Malibu doesn't disappoint. It offers two powertrain options: a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine producing around 180 horsepower for efficiency-focused drivers, and a more powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder with roughly 250 horsepower for those seeking more punch. Both engines are paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering refined shifts and excellent fuel economy. Reports suggest that Chevrolet has also improved suspension tuning and sound insulation, making the 2026 Malibu quieter and more composed than its predecessors. Step inside, and you'll immediately feel how Chevrolet has elevated the cabin experience. The 2026 Malibu introduces a new digital cockpit featuring a massive 11-inch central touchscreen seamlessly integrated with a 10.2-inch digital driver display. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates, keeping your vehicle's software fresh without visiting a dealership. The use of premium materials like soft-touch plastics, brushed aluminum, and optional leather upholstery gives the Malibu a near-luxury feel. It's clear that Chevrolet designed this car to compete not just with the Toyota Camry and Honda Accord, but to surpass them in technology and comfort. When it comes to safety, the Malibu continues Chevrolet's strong commitment to protecting its passengers. It's equipped with a full suite of driver assistance features under Chevy Safety Assist, including automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. An optional 360-degree camera and new self-parking functionality make urban driving easier and safer than ever. Fuel economy is another area where the Malibu shines. The base turbo engine offers an estimated 32 miles per gallon combined, while the larger turbo manages around 29 milliliters, a respectable number for a car with such solid performance. There are also whispers that Chevrolet might introduce a mild hybrid or even plug-in hybrid variant later in 2026, marking a step toward greener technology without fully abandoning gasoline engines. On the road, early reviewers say the new Malibu feels more agile, balanced, and responsive than ever. The steering is more precise, the suspension soaks up bumps effortlessly, and the cabin remains impressively quiet even at highway speeds. Chevrolet has managed to give the Malibu that perfect blend of comfort and sportiness, making it equally suited for long commutes or weekend getaways. Overall, the 2026 Chevrolet Malibu isn't just an update, it's a reinvention. It shows that Chevrolet is serious about keeping the sedan alive and relevant in a world dominated by SUVs and crossovers. With its modern design, advanced tech, and refined performance, the Malibu stands tall as one of the best mid-size sedans you can buy in 2026. If you're someone who values style, technology, and performance wrapped in an affordable package, the new Malibu might just be your next car.